So this is the hostel where I checked in for a night. They have 24 hours reception for check-in. The name of the hostel is St. Christopher Village. Good morning, guys. It's another day here in London. I just checked out of my hostel because it's gonna be a full day of going around the city of London. So right now it's still 7:25 in the morning, and the plan for today is to visit the Camden Market, Trafalgar Square, and then still go around the city and explore London. So let's grab some breakfast first so that we'll have energy for the day. So I'm just walking towards Borough Station because that is the that is the train station we need to use going to Camden Market. And I think doon na rin ako hanap ng breakfast para tuloy-tuloy. Just to share, guys, this is the first time that I'm gonna use the tube, that is the underground train dito sa London, because sa area ko may train, yes, but it's not the underground. Ayun yung papunta ng ibang area like Wales or any part of UK pa, but it's not the tube. Tube is specifically dito sa London, underground train. So let's try. It is 0 degree right now. Alam ko kung hindi ko sure kung nakikita yung usok check natin, but it's malamig. Buti na lang kaya nitong jacket ko yung lamig. It's BNY jacket from the Philippines. Binili ko to before ako mag-fly dito sa London or dito sa UK. Ayun na yung Borough Station, guys. So pagtatawid kailangan natin pumindit dito, then wait. Pwede na palang tumawid. So based sa Google, we'll take Borough and then Northern. Good thing sa train station nila, pwede na gumamit ng this cards. I'll use my Google Pay. Gumana naman yung Google Pay natin, guys. Or Apple Pay rather. We're already here sa northbound platform. And ayun yung way natin. So we're currently at Borough, going to Camden Town. And this is the platform looks like. Ang lakas maka horror feels. Kasi it's the underground. So we made it here, guys, sa Camden Town. Ito yung station, by the way. That's Camden Town. Actually, hindi na ako nahirapan. Siguro magandang practice na rin yung mga train station sa Malaysia and Singapore. And i-add mo pa yung Japan na napuntahan na natin twice. Although, yes, maraming station, maraming train lines. Meron naman kasing Google Maps. Si Google Maps kasi sasabihin niya kung anong linya kayo papasok, anong platform, anong station yung bababaan nyo. So just make sure to do your research when it comes to location before heading to a location, something like that. So let's now explore Camden Town. So right now, it is still early in the morning. Camden Town para tong Baclaran, something like that. Marami ditong retail shops, maraming bilihan, maraming charity shops. At ayun yung gagawin natin today. Later na tayo magta-Trafalgar and pupunta sa mga iconic areas. Let's go! So as I was saying guys, first order of business, we have to eat breakfast and drink coffee first. You know what guys, my observation for Camden Market, it's quite young, playful, ang daming street art, wall art, and colorful yung area. Like this one. So this is the Camden Market na. It's a street market. If you're gonna compare it sa Malaysia, para siguro siyang Pasarsen. And looking at Google, it will open at 10. Right now, it's still 9. So, let's just walk around and enjoy the city. Mamaya pa siya magbubukas. I said it young kasi parang ayan, ang daming wall art. It's all over the place. We've already made it here guys sa Camden Market. And to my surprise, Camden Market is located right beside a canal. Like, this is how it looks like. Forgive me kasi super aga kong pumunta. So, most of the shops are still closed. Ayan. This is the canal. Ayan yung mga shops. Doon, may mga shops doon. May mga shops dyan. Ayan, may mga shops doon. Then, pwede pang pumunta doon sa underground. Ito, mga shops din yan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And I think, etong mga boat na to, that's London Water Bus. I think pwedeng sumakay dyan. I'm just not so sure paano at kung magkano. So, let's explore more. I hope may mga bukas ng store para kagala tayo. Or makita natin yung mga paninda. So this is how it looks like guys. Maraming shops. However, sarado pa. Kasi nga sobrang aga kong pumunta. But it's okay. At least you have the glimpse of ano yung pwedeng makita dito. Toilets. So, we've already tried riding the tube and now itatry naman natin sumakay ng bus nila dito, yung color red na double-decker. We're now going to Westminster Abbey naman. So I'm now here guys sa double-decker bus. This is going to Trafalgar Square, and then from that square, walking distance na lang yung mga famous spot like yung guard, the changing of the guards parade, something like that, and also Westminster Abbey. And then nakita ko rin na malapit na dun yung Victoria Court, so pwede tayong bumalik sa what do you call this, Big Ben, at saka yung St. James Park, tsaka Buckingham Palace. If you haven't seen the first video, balikan natin siya for this day before tayo umuwi. And we made it here guys at Trafalgar Square. Ito siya. This is Trafalgar Square. Good thing dito yung fountain bukas kasi dun sa may Buckingham Palace hindi bukas yung fountain. Oh my God. It's big. Mainit lang. But malamig. See? We're done with Trafalgar Square. Doon lang siya sa likod ko kanina. Sa binabaan ko kanina ng bus. Saglit lang tayo kasi ang init doon kanina. Now, we are just walking. Like, it's the opposite road from Trafalgar Square. Papunta tayo sa White Horse or yung changing of the guards parade. And then, malapit na rin yun sa Westminster Abbey actually. So, ito yung nakikita natin going to that area. Oh, beautiful. Right now, it is sunny and maganda siya actually. But the weather is, let me see, it's 6 degrees. 6 degrees, kaya malamig kahit medyo maaraw. It's nice. This is Commander-in-Chief of the British Army. I'm not sure what's his name. Pero it's standing in the middle of the road. Baka nasa tapat yung pangalan niya. Eh wala. Guys, we reached the changing of the guards parade. And ito yung may mga kabayo, guys. Ito siya. Hindi na natin silawakan kasi baka kagatin tayo. This is it. We are back to where we are yesterday sa Big Ben. Hello, Big Ben. Because Westminster Abbey is just around the corner. Walking distance lang siya sa Buckingham Palace at saka sa Big Ben. So, we're just going straight ahead. Oh my God. Everyone is lining on this telephone. The line is insane. I'm good with the telephone that I have. Guys, we are just walking going to the Westminster Abbey, but I found this church. It is Saint Margaret Church and it's beautiful. And yung pila sobrang haba. By the way guys, yung Saint Margaret Church pala, that is the Westminster Abbey na. This is the view from the side. I think hindi na tayo dyan papasok kasi sobrang daming tao. I found out that this is, or that Saint Margaret Church is this Westminster Abbey na because of this. Ayan, Saint Margaret's Church, Westminster Abbey. Kaya pala sobrang daming tao. Ang ganda niya sa labas. We now have the view of London Eye, guys. It's London Eye.